Good day everyone. Here's my mechanics and guidelines for my game. First game is Color Hunt, age 5 to 6 years old. The objective of this game is collect the most color cards by matching real life, classroom or outdoor objects to the color shown on the cards. The rule of this game is shuffle the color cards and place them face down. A player draws a card and must find an object in the classroom or outdoor that matches the color. If the players succeed, they keep the card. If not, they turn the card to the pile. Play continues clockwise. Actions player is draw a card, search for a matching object, and show the object to the other players for confirmation. Element of this game, color cards and everyday objects in the environment. Winning condition is the player with the most card after all the cards are drawn wins. Guidelines is player number 2 to 6 players. Game set up. Shuffle the cards and place them in the deck at the center. Game flow. Play continue and turn until all cards are used. The limit of this game is 30 seconds to find an object. Second game is Animal Action Race, age 7 to 8 years old. The objective of this game is be the first to reach the finish line by completing animal theme challenge. Rules: players roll a dice to move forward. Each space on the board has an animal action. The player must perform the action to stay in space. If they fail, they move backward one space. Player action is roll a dice, move tokens, perform animal action. The element of this game is game board with spaces, dice that has a number 1 to 6, token for each player. Winning condition: the first player to reach the finish line wins. Guidelines: player number 2 to 4 players. Game setup: the board on the flat surface, token at the start, and the dice at the middle. Game flow: players continue in clockwise order until someone reaches the finish line. The time limit is 15 seconds to perform the action. Game 3, Math Quiz, age 9 to 10 years old. Objective: solve math challenges to collect treasure token. Rules: player roll a dice to move across the math adventure board. Landing the challenge space requires solving a math question. Correct answers can earn treasure token. Wrong answer means staying in the space. Player action: roll a dice, answer math quizzes, collect token. Then the element of this game is math adventure board, question cards, dice, token. And the winning condition of this game is the player with the most treasure token with the board incomplete wins. Guidelines: player number 2 to 6 players. Game flow is game continues until all players reach the end of the board. Fourth game is Read My Lips, age 11 to 12 years old. Objective of this game is other player must guess a movie, book, or song title only by watching the lips of the player who says it silently. Rules: one player chooses a title of a book, movie, or song. The player silently mouths the title without making any sound. The other player watch closely and try to guess the title. The first player to guess correctly wins the round. Another player takes until all turns everyone um, Another player takes a turn until everyone has a chance to play. Player action. Choose a title. Mouth the words silently. Guess the correct title. Um, Element of this game is no cards, no dice needed, just imagination and observation. Winning condition: the first player to guess correctly wins the round. If the if the play if playing multiple rounds, the players with the most correct guess is the overall winner. Guidelines: player num player number 3 to 8 players. Game setup: no materials needed. Players sit in circle, face each other. Game flow is continue until all players have had one turns. Time limit of this game is 30 seconds for each round of guessing. Last game is Hop Off, age 13 to 15 years old. Objective of this game is to test the balance and stamina by hopping one foot and then switch the feet in sequence without falling or stopping. Rules: players line up to the start at the game. Begin hopping once on one foot and twice on the other foot, then 3 times on the next foot, and so on. Continue the pattern until the player loses balance, stops, or get tired. The game repeats with the remaining players. Player action is hop on one foot, switch the other foot as the count increases. Maintain the balance while following the pattern. Game element is open space for hopping, optional. Ground markers on numbers for counting hops. Winning condition: the last player still able to follow the hopping sequence without falling or giving up is the winner. Guidelines: player number 2 to 10 players. Game setup: choose an open space, mark the starting area. Game flow is the game continues until all but one player is eliminated. Time limit is no time limit, but the player must have continuously without long pause.